Hey you guys, so I am back with another, I think I'm gonna call this like a like a vlog, but this is gonna be more of a vlog of like me getting ready for work, like more of a work day vlog, because I am not off today. I already kind of did my hair. I just curled it. I put in a few extension pieces to give it some length, but now I'm just doing my makeup and I'm watching TV. So if the lighting is shit, I apologize, but that's what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna use this palette today. It just looks like this, and it is called Mischief Minx by MAC. And there must, what the fuck, that was weird. So anyway, I'm using that palette first. Sorry if the lighting is shit. I apologize. I already did my eyebrows. So first things first, I'm gonna do the crease color in my eyes. So this doesn't really have a crease, well, yeah, it's weird, dude. This palette doesn't have a crease color. I'll be right back. Let me go get one. Okay, so here I am. I went to go get a color for my crease. So these are MAC palette. The color that I'm going to use in my crease is called Soft Brown, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This one is from Wet n Wild. Now, obviously, this isn't a tutorial or a chatty get ready with me, but I thought I would just film a little of me doing my eyeshadow and talking with you guys. That way, you guys can kind of see what I do when I get ready. So I have to be at work by 2:45. For those of you that don't know, I am a makeup artist at MAC Cosmetics. I've been there for 6 years, and I feel very, very blessed to work for MAC. I really love my job. It's like the training in itself is priceless, and I always say the same thing because I dig it. I love my job so much, and I'm just very, very happy and blessed to work there. So this is what I do to get ready. I always sit on my bed. I always use this little mirror. I have the makeup on my bed with me. Let's see if this mirror, if you guys can kind of see. So I always put my makeup on my bed with my brushes and that, like that. And yeah, so the time right now is, I think it's 10 till 1. My clock, of course, says it's 1 because I have it 10 minutes fast because I'm always late. So I have to do that to lie to myself, trick myself. Anyway, so I'm just doing my eyeshadow. Like I said, I have to be at work by 2:45. So if I leave here by like 2:10, 2:15, I get there early. Oh, I didn't know, like the lighting was getting all ugly. Sorry about that. Okay, so after I do my crease color, I am going to take one of the colors from the palette, and I'm going to use basically this red color. And I'm just going to use another fluffy brush, and I'm going to do that right in here. So if you guys could hear my TV, I have my TV on, and I'm watching this show. I've never seen it before. I guess it's been on for a while. I think this might even be the second year. It's called 24 to Life. And it's really like sad, dude. It's basically about just people, and they just made a dumb choice. Like they committed a crime, and it's their last 24 hours, like with their families, their kids, all that jazz, before they have to like turn themselves in to prison. Now the catch is while the show's playing and all that, they don't tell you the crime that the people committed. They don't tell you at all until the very end. So you have no idea like what they did or anything like that until the end. I had just seen one before this, and it's just so sad because these poor people like are having to say goodbye to their children for like a long time, their husbands. It's really sad, but it's super interesting. So anyway, that's what I have on. I really watch shows like this. I told you guys that I just love, I'm all about blending, you guys. So if I'm taking forever blending, it's because I'm a psycho with blending. Anyway, I love reality TV, which I've already like told you guys. And so anyway, the whole thing with reality TV, I usually, while I get ready, I like to watch like The Housewives, Beverly Hills, or Dallas. I like to watch shows like that. But right now, I've already caught up on all my shows, girl, so I have to watch something else. And I love to watch Little Women. Anybody who knows me knows I'm all about the Little Women franchise, whether it's Little Women of LA, Atlanta. I even watched the New York one. I didn't really like that one that much, but I did watch it. Anyways, my idea for this video might be kind of dumb, but my idea for it was that I am going to just show you guys like what I do to get ready. So obviously I'm gonna do my makeup, all that jazz. Then after I do that, what I wear to work. The cool thing about working at MAC, well, it's like cool and then it's hard at the same time, is you have to get like super duper ready every time. Like it doesn't matter. It's, you know, like some jobs, like you don't have to get ready, like super ready every day. You don't have to wear a lot of makeup. You don't have to dress up. But at my work, it's pretty imperative that you get dressed up, like that you get ready. Just because, I don't know, like for one, I feel so much better when I'm like ready. But for two, the people that I work with, that's just how we are. All of us just get really dolled up for work. So that's cool. I mean, I don't mind it. I just have to get ready like 2.5 hours before I have to be there, which is kind of crazy. I think the average person would think, oh my God, you're a freak. Like, why do you get ready so early? But obviously, I just told you why I get ready so early. So right now, I'm just doing a very, very dark brown in the outer corner. On the top of the eye, I just use this. It's just like a paint pot thing. And I just put it like right here. And that's it. So right now, I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit and put this dark color in the outer corner. I'll do it on the other side.
Knowing that I'm the one that's breaking the family breaks my heart.
And yeah, I'm just blending it through. Dark brown. It practically looks black. It just looks like this. I'm gonna use that one in the very, very outer edge just to like smoke it out a little bit, because I don't know, I feel like I'm definitely an eye person. I really like my eyes more dramatic. I never, like, I'm not a big, I like really don't like wearing lipstick, and I'll be honest with you guys, I don't like wearing it because of my lips. They're just really small and I just don't like them. Like, I feel like they just stand out, so it makes them more apparent that my lips are tiny. So I don't know, I'm just not a huge like lipstick person. And you would think working at MAC, hello, you've got to wear lipstick. And it's true, I have been told, you need to put a lipstick. So anyway, I just like doing my eyes. I like playing with my eyes a lot. And it's not because I have like big eyes or anything like that. I just love doing eyeshadow, that's all. It's like 1 now. Before I told you it was like 10 till. But remember I told you my clock's fast. So my clock is really saying it's 106, 107. But I think it's about 1. So it does take me a while to like do my eyeshadow, obviously. But I love it. I love doing my shadow so much. And you can't like what's the word I'm looking for? You can't over blend, because then all your colors will just mix into one, and then that doesn't look good either. So you have to know when to stop blending. You can't, you know what I mean? But the people that I do have, I am really happy to have you guys watch my little life here. And so there's my eye look. I think what I'm gonna do, this has some really beautiful like you know, like highlight color, not highlight, but bright pretty colors. I think I'm just gonna put some on my finger and then just dab some right there on top of my eye. If I work at MAC, I want to, people are gonna say, oh, I like your eyeshadow, what are you wearing? And I could like, yes, darling, I'm wearing Mischief Minx and you can have it too. Right? So anyway, I'm doing that. So then on the bottom of my eye, like down here, I usually don't do this part now. I usually wait till my makeup's almost done, but I guess I'll do it. I'm just gonna add some brown eyeshadow because I haven't done my foundation yet. I always do my eyes first. That makes sense.
Okay, so now that's where the good
And I tied my bangs back. And some lashes. I think I'm gonna wear 35s, which look like this. I love these lashes. They're so, so beautiful. I realize like how bad my under eye bags look until I take a video without makeup on. And then I'm like, ew. Because in person, I don't feel like it looks that bad. So let me turn this off. There's my eyeshadow, right? So I think what I will do is add my eyelashes, do my face makeup, and then I will come back and show you guys what I did. So I will be back. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Okay guys, so this is the stuff that I have on my bed to do my makeup. So brushes, I have Mischief Minx, which is this palette. So let me open it up. Beautiful palette. And then I also have, let's see, let's turn this light on so y'all can see better. Okay, so I have Mischief Minx, like I said. I used a little bit of that dark color right here, that brownish one. This is the blush I'm gonna use, the highlighter. This is my beautiful, I love this, as you can tell. I use this on my face. I love this little blender. Of course, I have my eyelashes on, and this is the mascara I used today, and this is the Duo Glue. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little overview of the makeups I wore today. Cool. I'll be back. I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day when I go to work. So I put extensions in my hair to give it some length so it looks a little bit longer. I also decided to wear shorts. And the reason that I decided to wear shorts is because pretty soon we're not going to be able to. So I thought this might be one of the last days that I'll get to wear them. So I'm just wearing some shorts, and I have this really cute top on, and it has this really cool detailing right here where it's like see-through, like crocheted. So it's really pretty. It also has gold buttons, and the reason I decided to do gold buttons is because I'm wearing booties, and if you can see, the booties have gold detail. So I thought that was just a cute little detail. I fell, I was running, and I took a spill, and look how awful. It's like road rash. And then look at my other leg. Doesn't look any better. Horrible, right? So ugly. Anyway, I just wanted to do an overview of my outfit of the day for work. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, and then this is the finished eye makeup. All right. Thanks, guys. I'll come check in a little while. See you in a bit. Bye. So I'm just getting here to work. So I am just going to put my brushes into my brush belt. Hey, guys. So I just got here to work. So I'm going to put my brushes into my brush belt. That's cool. Yeah, I get like close to it, you know?
How's that look?
Got it? I'm watching it.
We should put a filter on it, right?
Oh, it's cute. Oh my god, that's a good idea. Did you get it up close with that little one too?
Yeah. Well, not up close, but it still shows it in there. Which filter do you like? I kind of like that one.
Do it again. Do something else. Oh, I don't like that. And then no,
Too light.
the darker one.
The darker one, right? That one.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
So we're just doing Instagram video for MAC EBQ Up. Cute.
So we tag our store.
Yeah, tag the store. Up for anything. Beautiful. So right now, I am just putting pumps on the makeups. Ooh! So these are the makeup, and I'm just adding pumps to the tops of them. I think I saw her walk to the back. Okay, you guys, so sorry for the shitty lighting, but I am back home from work. It's probably about 9:45 or so, and I just got home a while ago. So I apologize for the crappy lighting, but that's just how it goes. Anyway, I'm just gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for following me today at work, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.